there and welcome back. If this is your first time, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a subject that's near and dear to my heart, and that's retirement. I have a question for you. Whether you're retired or thinking about it, everyone thinks that retirement is kind of the end of the line. But what if it's just the beginning of something big for you? You might be thinking, will I outlive my money? Will I have enough saved? What if I have to go back to work? I really don't want to. Let's be real for a second. All of us grew up thinking 65 was it. You retire, you live the life, you garden, you do a little travel, spend time with your family, sit on your porch, reading a book, and do nothing. But lately, things aren't that easy. Costs are rising all over. You're not sure about Social Security. If you're in another country, you may not know what your pension's going to be. And the real worry about money really starts to set in. The good news is you're not stuck. You have a lifetime of experience. You have a lot more knowledge than you think you do. You may think, oh, I'm old, I don't have anything to offer the world. But you know what? You do. And with an online business and the power of digital marketing, you have so much more than the average person. I think there's other options out there for you, and we're going to talk about some today. So what is digital marketing really? Basically, it's helping other people find a product or service that they can use online, and when you sell it to them, you earn a commission. The best part is you don't even have to create your own product. You don't have to deal with customers, and you can do it from your laptop or phone. You don't even know how to build a website. You don't need to know how to code. You need just to find a system that helps you out. Let's talk about what some extra income would do in your retirement. If you made an extra $500, $1,000, $3,000, $5,000, or whatever a month, how would that change your life? Could you travel more? Could you help out your family members? Could you give money to charity? Just think what they could do to your own financial security. And would you be happier doing that? In this stage of life, you have more power and experience than you think. You've lived a long time. You've probably done many jobs. Maybe you've raised a family. And so all those things count. Digital marketing just might be the next chapter in your life. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a build slow and smart thing. This isn't some online hype. People over 50, 60, even in their 70s and 80s are doing this. Well, there's a right way and a wrong way to learn. You can go on YouTube or anywhere else online and try to piece a system together for you. Or you can get a system that's done for you. The system I recommend, and the one I'm using, is the Legacy Builder system. It's a done-for-you business in a box with step-by-step instruction. Legacy Builders is a done-for-you digital storefront, has step-by-step instruction, has an automated email funnel, and a giant support community, so if you have any other questions, there's tons of people to ask. It's a simple, flexible, and real system. No hype, no pressure. You just do it at your own schedule whenever you feel the need. Digital marketing is one of the best online businesses right now for retirees or anyone. This is a global business, and anyone, anywhere can do it. Retirees with no experience and just a few hours a week can make a lot of money. You don't want to feel like you're too old or you're not tech savvy. It just doesn't matter. If you can learn, you can earn. If you want to check it out, and subscribe to the channel. Put ready in the comments below if you want to get more information. Take a look, see if it feels right for you. It'll line out the step-by-step process that we use. And remember, retirement is not the end, it's just a great new beginning.